This is Paul. Yes. I was just looking at this judicial branch, article number 3, section 2. Yes. Clause 1, the judicial power shall extend to all cases in law and equity arising under this Constitution, the laws of the United States, and treaties made, which shall be made under their authority, to all cases affecting ambassadors and other public ministers and consuls, to all cases of admiralty and maritime jurisdiction, to controversies to which the United States shall be a party, a controversy that the United States shall be a party, to controversies between two or more states, between a state and citizens of another state, between citizens of different states, between citizens of the same state claiming lands under grants of different states, and between a state or the citizens thereof and foreign states, citizens or subjects. Now, it's somewhat interesting that this section 2, the judicial power, it extends to all cases in law and equity arising under this Constitution, the laws of the United States and treaties made or which shall be made under their authority. Now, I just wanted to know this judicial power. How does it extend to all cases in law and equity that arise under this Constitution, the laws of the United States and treaties made or which shall be made under their authority? Now, I'm somewhat concerned this morning that you're using what's known as judicial power that's extending to the case. Now, as I read the Constitution, Article number 3, Section 2, you're going to have a cell hearing tomorrow where you're going to decide if you're going to order psychotropic medication. Yes. Or I'm going to have another mental health evaluation from another expert. Now, yesterday I documented what the Constitution of this state says, and I would thought that every oath of office would have realized that without the actual signature, you actually don't have any power to extend to all cases. Now, let's say I was to sue you, sue you for saying that I just had to have knowledge of a court order, or it was that the court order had to be issued according to the requirements of the law. That would be the RCWs of this state, the federal laws known as the VAWA, the federal laws that are known as child abduction laws, the federal laws known as child custody laws. And you decided that you weren't going to investigate the crime of violating. Well, today I'm suing you for violating Article number 3, Section 2. I told you I wanted you to remove my name from the docket, and instead of doing what the law requires, you decided to be total fucking dickheads. Now, today, I'm sitting here with no money, and that means I've got to think of a lawsuit so that I can get fucking paid. Now, I know you think this Constitution is not enforceable, but what judicial power can extend to the case of the 2-count criminal complaint in law and equity that has arisen under this Constitution? Now, there's known as Amendment number 5 and Amendment number 14. There's known as Amendment number 2 and Amendment number 13. There's known as Amendment number 9 and 10 that say that I have the rights to any and all benefits that are given to any person in this nation because of a court issuing a court order where there was no notice or opportunity to be heard. Now, for some stupid fucking reason, you think that you can issue court orders where they're not issued according to the requirements of the law. Now, I gave you a screen print from the instructions for a permanent protection order that requires timely and proper notice before having court hearings. You decided that we don't have to do that. Well, the Constitution would say that you cannot have a fucking court hearing.